Today we're going to teach a little bit about range, mode, and median. We have a song to teach you about it first before we go over the definitions of it. So it goes like this. Range, mode, median, mode, most often and median is in the middle, and the range is the greatest minus the least. That gives you all the vocabulary you're going to need to do range, mode, and median.
Oh, and
there's the song.
And the first one we're going to talk about is mode. And the mode is the number that appears the most often in a set of data. Not the highest number, but the number that you actually can find the most times. This table contains my common grade scores for the fall semesters. What is the mode of this set of data? The most times we see problems happen is when you look at this real quickly and pick the one you see. It's much, much better to, anytime you see the words range, mode, or median, put the numbers in order from least to greatest. It doesn't take long, but real quickly go through and find the smallest number, which on this one is 76. Get rid of it. The next smallest number I see is 88. Get rid of it, and then there's another 88, so I need to put it down twice. And I'm just going to go through quickly. There's 94, 94, another 94, and a 95. And I'll be very honest with you, if I had just looked at this real quickly, I saw the 88 pop out at me faster than I saw the 94. But if you look here, there's 2 88s and 1, 2, 3 94s. So the mode of this data should be 94 because it's there more often than anything else. Okay.
Median. Median is a number that is in the middle of a set of data after the data has been arranged from least to greatest. That's the biggest thing we want to stress to you, is that whenever you see range, median, or mode, just put that needs to be a trigger. Oh, I need to put these in order from least to greatest before I ever even look at the data. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is look at our data. Oh, look, my data's already in order from least to greatest, so I didn't have to do anything. But then you're going to start, and you're going to start at one end and at the other end, and you have to have a pair. A pair is two numbers. You cannot mark off just one number to get to the middle. Okay, so if I mark off one down here, I've got to mark off one down here. I'll mark off one here, 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 and here. And whatever number is left in the middle is your median.
The range is the difference between the greatest and the least numbers in a set of data. And a lot of you guys have been to a driving range or a shooting range before, and you know that when you're standing at a driving range, you're going to have your golf ball at one spot and you're going to try and get to the distance at the end. And that range is how far the ball is going. Just like in math, you want to see where the data starts and where it ends and find what's in between. In order to find the range, I need to first put my numbers in order from least to greatest, so it's faster to find the smallest and the greatest. And I'm going to start with this set of data, and the smallest is 8, and then I have 9, 12, make sure you're getting rid of them as you go so you don't get lost. 16, and then there's another 16. You forget those if you're not ticking off your data. And then we've got 18 and 21. Okay, and to find the range, I'm simply going to take the biggest number minus the smallest number. So 21 minus 8, we're going to have to borrow. 11 minus 8 is 3, and 1 minus nothing is 1. So our range is 13 for this set of data.
And be careful on this. Some people, you just want to look through here and find, don't try to eyeball this to get the biggest number, because you're not going to, you're going to make mistakes that way. Or the smallest number, you know, that if we see anything, it's mistakes in finding the biggest and the smallest number on there.
And these are some practices that you can do with your teacher later on, or you can pause the video in between and practice. One more practice. And congratulations, you have done range, mode, and median.